I need to come up with like a little jingle or something. I don't know. I don't think anyone would like that, but I would like it. Hi everybody, this is Reagan and this is the premiere episode of To Go Unboxing. And I am so excited to be here with you. Camera 1, camera 2, we're gonna eat some food. Super excited. This is Bombay Kitchen, Indian street food. I've never had it before, so I'm really excited. So let's get to unboxing this thing because that's what the show's called, To Go Unboxing, in case you didn't know that. So first of all, I'm just gonna move this over real fast. We have this beautiful box, and then, ooh, this looks interesting. So we have another beautiful, beautiful box, and then, wow, we have another one of these white and red boxes. So it smells delicious. This smells like something that I wish I could cook. Oh, this looks delicious. Woo, all right, this is item 1. Ooh.
That's cheese.
This is cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, literally, like, my mouth is, I might start salivating. I love cheese. Everything sounds delicious, looks delicious, and I'm gonna dig in. Okay, so first little beautiful little triangle. Look how cute it is. I don't know, I just feel like things in triangles are always better. Oh yeah. Oh, I am vibing with this so hard. For the folks at home, I'm so sorry I'm talking with my mouth full, but like that's kind of my job. And this is delicious. Oh my gosh. It has a really great like smoky, spicy flavor. I can definitely tell that this was marinated in some delicious spices. I could eat this every day. I don't think my body would like it if I ate this much cheese every day. But like sometimes you just gotta say, this is for me. This is for me. But it's also for you. And you. After the first meal, we have 2 more boxes. I have no idea what these are in here, so I will open one up and then I will tell you what it looks like. So it looks like there's 2 pastries in here. There's this one. This is really nice. I love that this isn't really like flaking. Like it's pretty easy to hold and everything, so you could probably just like, you know. So let's just get right into it. It doesn't really smell like anything in particular. Just kind of like bread. Oh, that made a noise. Oh, I hope I don't get this anywhere. Oh, okay. We got some green sauce on me a little bit, but that's okay. So we've got this bad boy, and let me get the red sauce. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Kind of has the consistency of like barbecue sauce, but I don't think it'll taste like that. So I'm excited to see what that is. And then this just looks green. Let's see, what would be the best way to eat this? I think I'm gonna dip it and then bite into it. All right, that looks like enough. I mean, it might be too spicy, but we'll see. Okay. I have no idea what's in here, but it's really good. Yeah, the crust, delicious. It's nice and crispy, but also flaky. And then the sauce is also really good. I don't really know how to describe it. It's a little bit spicy. It's got like a little bit of a kick, but not overpowering at all. If you're a person who really does not like spice, I definitely would say this would be in what my mother would call the zippy category. So it's not really that spicy, but it has like a little zip to it. But yeah, it definitely looks like there's peas in here, potatoes, some spices, really delicious. So I'm gonna try the green sauce now. I feel like in most cultures, whatever's green is usually much spicier than the red.
Is it spicier?
It's got a little, oh.
What's the mom category on this one?
Now this one would be too zippy. This is what she would categorize as spicy. Now this would be spicy for sure. Solid. I would definitely have this again. Alrighty, this is the last one. I cannot believe it. So these definitely look like donuts, but they also don't look like donuts, if that makes any sense. There are 3 beautiful pastries with a little bit of like garnish on top. I really love this because like it definitely looks like a donut. But then you do this. Skinny donut. So from look-wise, it looks very delicious. So I'm excited to see if it's like filled with anything or if it's just like a pastry. I'm gonna take a bite. Okay. Really good crust. The crunch on the crust is good, but it's like so soft on the inside. It definitely tastes really good. I think claiming that it is a breakfast food is definitely a very good assumption, because this would be delicious for breakfast. I mean, I feel like you could just kind of like hold this on your way out the door, you know, get this to go to your office maybe. If you're like, oh crap, I forgot to have my, you know, Lucky Charms for the day. And you could just like grab this, have a nice filling breakfast, or you can have this for lunch too. I mean, I don't make the rules here. I guess it's time for final thoughts. This meal was absolutely fantastic. Big thank you to Bombay Indian Street Food for letting us have this. I mean, we just bought it from them, but it was really delicious. And I definitely would recommend going there, especially if you are someone who is a vegetarian or who maybe is like trying to cut back on your meat. They had some really wonderful options, from some beautiful cheese kabobs to these beautiful samosas that were absolutely decadent and so filling, and to these beautiful medu vadas. So thank you all for watching this episode. This was super fun. I hope you enjoyed. This is the first of hopefully many episodes. If you guys like it, I mean, if you don't, that's okay. If you do like it, that's awesome. Thank you for liking it. This is great. Let's just again sometime. How about 2 weeks from now? I'm Reagan. You're awesome. And this has been To Go Unboxing.